All right, here we are. I'm finally out. I think the last time we were out here, we're in Sherborn, Nason Hill, two-lot subdivision. One home is now up. It's been since the end of September, I think. Now it's a balmy 30 degrees out here, so if I start to shiver, you'll know why. But as you can see, all framed, got the roofing done, shingles are on, windows are done, all the studding is done on the inside. None of the rough cut-ins are done or electric or anything like that, but since it's been so long since we've been out here, I thought we would come see what the progress was, so I could show you guys. Don't remember what the total square footage is on this. I believe it's over 3,000, but I do know it is on for 2.65 million, so why don't we take a quick look inside. Now, coming in off the side is the nice spacious 3-car garage. Coming up the garage door from the entrance here. There's a lot going in here. I think this is basically going to be a back closet area, mudroom type setup. I'm thinking this, like I said, I don't have the floor plans with me, so I'm thinking this is going to be one of the bathrooms for downstairs. Over here is going to be a bonus spare room. Since COVID, a lot of people have been looking for just an extra space to either have a study, an office, something like that. And they're usually looking for it to be on the first floor. And then actually, I'm not exactly sure the layout. This is going to be a closet, but then you have a hallway here. So it looks like there's 2 different entrances to this room. So let me start taking you out to the front and we'll take another look around. This is going to be the entrance. It's going to be like the second entrance off right next to the garage. As you come in here, again, more closet space. On the left here, I don't know if this is going to be a half bath, another closet area, pantry, because the kitchen's going to be there, but we do have an area for either a dining room or more likely a living room or family room type space. Large spacious kitchen. I imagine there's going to be an island, but again, like I said, I don't have the floor plan, so I'm not exactly sure. Nice sliders here. That is going to probably go out to a deck and attach over to that spare room sliders we have. And then that brings us out to the large spacious living room, fireplace living room, very high, gorgeous cathedral ceilings, I think, when it's all said and done. And then an area over here for the dining room. And then I'll just go show you the foyer and the second floor. Now we're up on the second floor. There was no handrail, so I didn't want it for the stairs, so I didn't want to be videoing going up or down. My luck, I'd fall off and break my neck. As you can see, it's going to be a very large, spacious 2-story front foyer. Nice big window on the front, overlooking the front, like the driveway and the front lawn. You got behind me here 2 bedrooms. These are going to be, looks like pretty much mirror images. Closet over here. I believe this is going to be a Jack and Jill bathroom where they share, and the entrance to get into the bathroom is only going to be from each of the bedrooms. And then again, same as the bedroom I just showed you, only just a mirror image of it with a closet over here. And then lastly for this area, we have kind of off the foyer, overlooking the foyer is just like a large extra space hangout area. Maybe make it an office if you'd like. Kind of just some open space to do with what you like. Now this is going to be the 3rd bedroom. Again, nothing special here, but just the size of it is really nice, and you got the nice closet here. We have 2 rooms or areas here. One is going to be the bathroom, and one's going to be the washer and dryer. Well, the washer room, I'm not sure which is which. Probably this one is going to be the bathroom, or, well, I really don't know. My daughter thinks it's going to be the washroom. I think it's going to be the bathroom, so we'll see who's right eventually. But let me take you down into the master suite. Again, very high ceilings, lots of space, closet over here, and just tons of room in here. There's going to be walk-in closets, full bathrooms, the full, soaking tub, I'm sure, dual vanities, and it's just good, but there's just a lot going on, and without the floor plans, I can't really say what's what. But as you can see, this is going to be very nice, over 3,000 square feet, and there's I think I already mentioned, in Sherborn for 2.65 million. So until next time, I'll give you some more updates. Be well.